Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to set up vscode for Python. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to actually download the Visual Studio Code. So just go to your browser and now search for code.visualstudio.com. Once over here, tap on download for Windows. Now here in your downloads, make sure to run the .exe file and then just follow the on-screen instructions to install. Now the next step you'll have to do is to download a Python interpreter. This tool basically acts as a translator for your Python code. So it basically translates your commands into action that your CPU can understand. So go to python.org/downloads and then over here click on download Python. Now again over here, once it is done downloading, you'll see a .exe file over here. Just click on it to install it. You can also download Python from the Microsoft Store if you do not have administrative permissions. Now open up Visual Studio Code and on the left hand side you'll see an option for extensions. Tap on it and then at the top search for Python and install the first one. Now the next step you'll have to do is to create a virtual environment. The reason you need to do that is so that your code is isolated, so there are no conflicts with other files. So back to the main page, over here tap on open folder and then make sure to create a folder. Now over here click on Ctrl+Shift+P and now at the top search for Python create environment and then click on the first option that says venv. Now here once your environment is created, on the top left hand side click on the option that says new file and make sure to name your file by .py. Now here you can start writing your code, and once you're done, on the top right hand side you can click on run. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.